Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. When the second-generation Toyota Prius, known internally as the XW20, entered its final model years in 2009, it stood as a symbol of a shifting automotive landscape. By then, the Prius had evolved from an intriguing technological experiment into one of the world's most recognizable hybrid vehicles. Its 2009 iteration represented the peak refinement of a design that had already reshaped conversations about fuel economy, environmental responsibility, and the future of personal transportation. The 2009 Prius carried forward the now iconic wedge-shaped silhouette first introduced in 2004. Its teardrop profile, high roofline, sharply raked windshield, and extended rear deck were all sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, achieving a remarkably low drag coefficient of 0.26. In an era when SUVs still dominated the roads and aerodynamics were more often associated with sports cars, the Prius stood apart. It was a car that wore its intentions openly, efficiency was the point, and every line and angle served that mission. Under the hood, the 2009 Prius featured Toyota's hybrid Synergy drive, a powertrain system that blended a 1.5-litre Atkinson-cycle gasoline engine with an electric motor and a nickel-metal hydride battery pack. The system's combined output of 110 horsepower might have seemed modest, but the car's strength lay not in acceleration but in seamless operation, remarkable fuel economy, and durability proven over millions of real-world miles. The hybrid system transitioned almost imperceptibly between gasoline and electric power, aided by the car's continuously variable transmission. Drivers often marveled at how quiet the vehicle was, especially at low speeds when it ran solely on electric power. One of the Prius's most important contributions was its redefinition of what efficiency could look like in everyday driving. In 2009, its EPA fuel economy rating, 48 miles per gallon city and 45 miles per gallon highway, remained among the highest of any mass-produced vehicle without a plug. More importantly, the Prius achieved these figures without requiring drivers to adopt complicated charging routines or sacrifice interior comfort. It offered a practical path to efficiency at a time when concerns about rising fuel prices and carbon emissions were heightening public interest in greener technologies. Inside, the 2009 Prius presented a futuristic cabin that echoed the car's forward-thinking engineering. Its center-mounted digital instrument cluster, positioned high on the dashboard, freed the driver from traditional analog gauges. The supplemental energy monitor, displayed on the central screen, became one of the Prius's most distinctive features. It provided real-time feedback on power flow between the engine, motor, and battery, turning every drive into an educational experience. Many owners described it as a game, seeking to maximize their eco-score long before such feedback became common in modern vehicles. The cabin's spaciousness was another unexpected advantage. Thanks to the Prius's 5-door hatchback design and thoughtful packaging of battery components, the rear cargo area was surprisingly generous. It combined practicality with comfort, making the Prius appealing not only to environmentally conscious commuters but also to families, rideshare drivers, and anyone seeking economical yet versatile transportation. By 2009, the second-generation Prius had also become a cultural touchstone. It found popularity among celebrities who used it as a symbol of environmental awareness, and it played a role in shifting public perception of hybrids from experimental oddities to mainstream vehicles. The Prius stood at the intersection of technology and social identity. Owning one often meant making a statement about values and lifestyle. Yet the car's widespread adoption ultimately helped normalize hybrids, paving the way for the broader acceptance of electrified drivetrains. Technologically, the XW20 Prius represented a significant leap forward from the first generation. Its hybrid system was more robust, its battery management software more sophisticated, and its regenerative braking smoother and more intuitive. Toyota's engineering emphasis on reliability also helped dispel early skepticism about hybrid technology. The 2009 model, like others in the second generation, earned a reputation for remarkable longevity, with many examples surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal battery degradation. This real-world performance boosted confidence in hybrid systems across the industry. The legacy of the 2009 Prius extends far beyond its own sales figures. It influenced Toyota's entire hybrid lineup and catalyzed competition among automakers worldwide. The principles refined in the XW20 would later underpin hybrids in nearly every major segment, from compact sedans to SUVs and minivans. More broadly, the second-generation Prius helped initiate global conversations about sustainable mobility, long before electric vehicles became central to automotive strategy. Looking back, the 2009 Toyota Prius second generation stands as more than just a car. It is a milestone in automotive history. It demonstrated that environmental responsibility and practical daily driving could coexist, and it laid the groundwork for the hybrid revolution that followed. Today, its impact continues to be felt in every electrified vehicle on the road, marking it as one of the most influential cars of its time. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay